So how to create hotkeys. Hotkeys are like shortcuts that we use to control the scenes so that it will be easier to the scenes, the transition, anything. So how to do it, you go over to settings. So in settings, you go down to hotkeys. Hotkeys, you see all the list of all these possible actions you can take inside voice meter that are active. So for our camera, we set the scene, our scene that is camera 1, we set to switch to scene to be 1. In cam 2, we set it to be our number 2. In cam 3, we set it to be our number 3. And in our transition, we make our transition to be T. You can choose any alphabet you want and you click on apply and OK. So that way you can now use number to switch rather than my mouse have been here in the scene transition. So you can just be using 3, 2, 1 to be switching. So when you are in 1, you can just transition. When you're in 2, you transition. And you go back to 1 and transition. So that is how to use hotkeys. It makes your work look like look professional. Your PC production look professional. And since you're using hotkeys, it mimics video switchers in real life. So that is it for hotkey production. We're using hotkey in production. Thanks for watching. This is Driym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.